Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to give you a proper tutorial about LinkedIn ad objectives and LinkedIn ad formats. Well, guys, it is very important to understand about objectives and the ad formats, because now we guys are going into the ad creation part, right? Gradually we are going to create the ad and run those ads, but before that we need to understand the objectives, that what kind of objectives we have available on LinkedIn platform and what are the ad formats that we can create on LinkedIn platform, right? So let's directly go to my LinkedIn account and understand about the ad objectives and LinkedIn ad formats. So guys, as you can see, as usual, I am on my LinkedIn platform, LinkedIn profile, right? Now, in order to access the ad formats and objectives, first we need to go to the campaign manager. So for that, click on the business for business icon and click on advertise. And once I click on advertise, it will redirect me to the campaign manager account. And here I can see my accounts, ad accounts basically, right? So I'll be clicking on the active one. So let me click on this. Once I click on this account, I'll be able to see the campaign groups. So I do have three campaign groups over here. All are active, right? So whatever the group I want to click, I can click it. Let's say I'm going with digital marketing services. I clicked on it. Now I'll be into the campaign part where I can create campaign, right? So if I click on create button and click on campaign, I'll be able to create the campaign where I can show you the objective and all, right? So let me go to the advanced option, because I don't want to go with the quick option. Let's click on advanced so that I can show you some advanced settings, right? So this is how the advanced options looks like, right? It is a bit traditional looking, and if you go to the quick one, you will get a bit modern kind of dashboard, right? Modern and a bit simple. And in the quick one, you do have only two or three objectives like brand awareness and website visit. So let's go to the advanced option, because we are learning everything in advance, right? That's why this course is that much valuable, right? Now let's scroll a little bit down. Here you can enter the name of the campaign, but we are not going to create a campaign right now, right? I'm just giving you the idea about objectives. As you can see here, these are the objectives. And if I scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see the ad format, but we need to select the objectives first, right? So this is the objective for basically group objective. If I turn this option off, basically this is for the group objective, this is not for the campaign objective, right? If you want, you can select any option which suits your campaign group, right? So let me just turn this option off right now and let me hit the next button, so that we can jump into the second step, which is campaign setup process, right? So start date, end date, yeah, this much would be fine. Save. Okay, we need to enter the name. Let me add the demo campaign group, right? I've entered the name. The spelling of campaign is a bit wrong. Let me correct it. Yeah, now hit the next button. Now once, let me select this one. What is it saying? Your campaign group could not be created. Campaign cannot read property. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I've changed the name of the campaign group, and now we are into the campaign level, right? Setup campaign. We are into the basically we are into the second step, and the campaign group I have named given the name is digital marketing services demo, right? So there was some issue, that's why we were unable to save the settings. So I just refreshed the page, and now I'm here, right? Now in the campaign setup process, you can see the objectives, right? So these are the objectives which you can go for, right? Objective selection, as you can see here in the campaign details option, where you can add the name and all, but we are into the campaign objective selection, right? So we do have three categories. The first one is awareness, then consideration, and then conversion part. So every marketer starts with the awareness part, then they took their users to the consideration part, and then to the conversion part. So the objective in awareness, we do have only brand awareness. When we want to reach more and more people so that people can know our brand, we run brand awareness type of campaign, right? Then in consideration part, we do have three options: website visit, engagement, and video views. So let's say we want to redirect our uh, users who are seeing the ad directly to our website, so that they can visit our website, so that they can visit our landing page, or whatever the website you have created, whether it is single page landing page, multiple pages website, or any kind of e-com website, whatever it is. If your objective is to land your users who are seeing your ad to your another website, then you need to go with this website visit option. Now if you want engagement from the users who are seeing your ad, and the engagement can be like, engagement can be comment, or any kind of other activity which you want your user to do, or which you want your user to perform, then you should go with the engagement campaign. Then the video views is totally simple. You need to create a video ad, and when you create a video ad, the video will be play on the YouTube not YouTube, sorry for that, on the LinkedIn platform. And once the user watches the video, that will be counted as a video view, right? So this is a video view. Basically, when you want to uh, show a story, or when you want to show a video to your user, then you can go with this video view campaign objective, right? Then in the conversion part, we do have four options. This one is off right now, talent leads, right? So we'll be talking about three only. The first one is lead generation. This is totally for the businesses who want to generate leads. So this option is for those type of businesses, lead generation, right? Let's say you are a service based business, right? You don't sell any kind of product, or you don't sell any kind of software, or any kind of other thing, right? You sell or you provide services. So in that case, you might need leads, or sometimes your ticket size may be a bit high. So in that case, we also need leads. So you can go with this campaign objective, which is lead generation. After this, we do have website conversion. Website conversion is totally for sales, like whatever you want to provide on your website, whether it is any product, whether it is any service, whether it is any software, or any kind of document, whether it is free or whether it is paid. If you want the user whom you have shown your ad to visit your website and make basically perform a conversion, whether it is a download, whether it is a purchase, or whether it is a any kind of sign up, then you should go with website conversion. And at the end, we do have job applicants. This is basically for the organizations who want to hire people by running ads. So in that case, you need to select this option, and basically, let's say you are hiring thousands of people, right? In that case, you can run ads on LinkedIn, and you can hire the top quality employees directly from LinkedIn, right? So these were the objectives. Now after you have decided your objective, and according to the objective, the ad formats decides, or ad format changes, right? Let's say I've selected brand awareness, right? So I've selected the brand awareness, and according to brand awareness, I'll see the ad formats now. As you can see, all the options are turned on right now because I've selected the objective, which is brand awareness. So after selecting the brand awareness, if I scroll a little bit down here, I'll be able to see the ad formats. So these are the available ad formats on the brand awareness campaign objective type, right? So in brand awareness, we do have single image option, carousel, video, text, spotlight, follower, document, conversion, and event. Conversation, not conversion, right? So these are the ad formats which are available in the brand awareness objective, right? Now I'm going to explain you all these objective not objective ad format types in the upcoming videos, where we'll be practically creating these ads. But in this video, I'm just giving you an idea that if you changes the objective, let's say you have selected website visit, right? So according to the website visit, the ad format will also change, right? As you can see, these are the ad formats are available in the website visit option. But let's say if you go with video views, so here in video views you'll be able to see only one ad format, which is video, right, where you can add the video and you can show your video to the users, right? So same goes with different objective type. Like in the engagement, we'll be able to see the different ad formats. There are the number reduced, right? So here we can see only 7 ad formats, right? So in the brand awareness part there was many, right? So we do have single image, carousel, video, followers, document, conversation, and event. Now in the lead generation we'll be able to see only 6 type of ad format, right? Same goes with the job applicants and the conversion part. As you can see, single job, jobs, single image, spotlight. So these are the 4 ad formats we do have available in job applicants. So this is how ad format changes according to your objective. Now I do have one more important resource to show you where you can get too much valuable insight. Let me take you to the LinkedIn's page, basically LinkedIn's website itself. This is business.linkedin.com/marketing space solutions/success/ads space guide, right? This is not the space, this is basically the dash, right? So marketing dash solutions/success/ads dash guide. So this is a LinkedIn ads guide where you'll be able to see that how different kind of ads looks like. As you can see here, this is single image ads, video ads, carousel. This looks like this. And if you have run Facebook ads, some of them will look like same as Facebook, like carousel, single image, video ads, right? Then event ads, document ads, and this is thought leader ads, right? And if you scroll a little bit down here, you will be able to see sponsored messaging options as well, where you can do messaging directly to your users or prospects inbox. So those kind of messages are sponsored messages, right? The user will be able to see the sponsored tag in those messages. But the thing is, you can directly land on their inbox. So this is a good thing. You can directly start a conversation. So this is comes under conversation ads, right? As you can see here. Then these are lead generation ads, lead gen form, right? Then text and dynamic ads, text ads, spotlight ad, follower ads, right? Now if you want to get more idea about these ads, you can just click on view specs. You'll be able to see that what kind of requirement you need. Basically all the requirements you'll be able to see, like the file type, file size, image ratio, right? And here the recommendation is the text recommendation, headline, introductory text. So all the things, all the required things you'll be able to see here, right? Even you can see the call to actions which you can add. So this is very helpful page. You can save this link, right? And you can check out the link whenever you are creating an ad, right? So let me show you one more. This was the single image. If I show you video ads, and if I click on view specs, you'll be able to see that the video format type or sound type, whatever the requirements are, everything is here, right? Technical requirements, call to action, recommendation dimensions, and URL requirements, and everything is here. Design requirement. Let me go back. Let me show you the carousel ads one, right? In carousel ads, again, all the recommendations, text recommendation, technical, URL requirements, right? So this is how you can get idea directly from LinkedIn's website. They have created a very useful guide for their ads, right? So you can save this link, and I hope you now have an idea about that LinkedIn objectives and LinkedIn ad formats, right? Now in the upcoming videos, I'll give you more about the ad formats and objectives. So stay tuned with the course. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.